Hello children, how are you? Today, Ma'am is going to tell you a story about Santa's special surprise, a Christmas adventure. So, let us get started. Once upon a time in a cozy town where snowflakes danced and laughter would abound, lived Santa Claus with his elves so merry. Preparing for Christmas, they worked in a hurry. In a workshop filled with toys and cheer, elves hammered and painted, spreading festive cheer. Santa checked his list, each name with care, making sure each child would receive a share. One frosty night, while the stars did gleam, Santa discovered a problem, or so it seemed. His reindeer so loyal had caught a cold, and flying that night was a tale untold. What shall we do? The elves did fret. Santa smiled wide. We'll find a way yet. We'll build a contraption, light and bright, to fly across the sky on this magical night. With tools and gears, they worked non-stop, crafting a machine that would reach the hilltop. The Christmas carriage, it shimmered and shone, covered in tinsel, they knew it would be known. But as they prepared for the grand affair, the children appeared with worry in their stare. Will Santa make it? Will he be late? Their hopeful faces filled with debate. Santa appeared with a jolly grin. This year, my friends, we are in for a spin. We'll ride the carriage high and fast to deliver the presents, our mission steadfast. The children cheered, their spirits bright, as Santa's carriage soared in the night. Through clouds and stars they flew with glee, spreading joy, setting toys beneath each tree. With twinkling lights and laughter heard, Santa and his team spread joyous words. They landed softly at the break of a day, completing their journey in a magical way. The children awoke with eyes so wide. Toys and gifts were waiting beside. Santa had come with a different ride, bringing Christmas joy far and wide. So remember this tale of festive delight, how Santa's carriage soared in the night. For even when plans go a different way, magic can happen on Christmas Day. For even when plans go a different way, magic can happen on Christmas Day. Thank you. Merry Christmas.